Here it is. Same old cover image, brand new photography book. I'm really excited. This has been so much work. I'm very excited to be sharing this with you. It's the 10-year anniversary of my book on phone cameras. Take better photos, smartphone photography for noobs. I started writing a blog post about depth of field just before my daughter was born, and that led me to a follow-up on phone lenses, then camera sensors, then camera apps and accessories, and before I knew it, I'd written thousands of words on the topic, and the only thing that made sense was to collect all of that data and turn it into a book. My daughter is 10 years old now, and that means the book is also 10 years old. Over the years, I've updated sections, added new topics, replaced example images, but no single update to the book has been as significant as this one. I've done total rewrites to sections about technique, whole new chapters for tips and tricks, and I've more than doubled the sample photos and diagrams. A lot of this book is going to read like any other educational resource for a budding newbie photographer, and that's by design. I believe the phone camera has gotten good enough to more directly compete against standalone camera systems. The technique we might use is often similar, but I think there's a value in discussing that technique with these specific tools in mind. Instead of working backwards by learning about mirrorless cameras or DSLRs, and then we try to figure out how phones are different or how they might be able to do some of the same things, let's start the discussion with the tools people likely already have. Let's see if we can take the phone camera as far as we can go, and then decide if an upgrade to a proper standalone camera makes sense. This has been a really personal exercise in improving my own technique too. Phone cameras have improved radically over the last decade, and this book has become something of a diary for how I've pushed my phone cameras harder and how I've improved as a content creator who relies on mobile tools to get his work done. Not only have the phone cameras gotten better, I've gotten better. The book is a practical record of what I've done to become a better photographer. Another bit of exciting news. When I self-published this book originally, I did not have a lot of options for where this book could live. I missed out on that window. Google Books was accepting self-published works, but nowadays, I'm not too sad about missing out on Google. With the 10th anniversary version though, I'm happy to announce that Take Better Photos will also be available on the Kobo bookstore and available in the Kobo Select program, and will soon be made more broadly available to libraries through Overdrive. I'm so happy to have these other options to share my book. And it's funny, seeing my book on a website storefront is nice, but seeing it show up in a library app will really feel like the day my book has arrived, that it's a real thing. It's in a library. And I'm also not pulling any switch on this new edition of the book. If you've purchased the book in the past, you can update it through the ebook store that you bought it from, and the new edition should pop right up. I'm not trying to make people rebuy my book. I want this to be a living document that evolves as phone cameras change. If you join me on this, I want us to explore together. So I'll have links below in the video description or on the website where I'm hosting this video where you can buy the book on both Kindle and Kobo. The book's gonna be available on their respective subscription services. I'd totally appreciate if this is something you might want to read, but you don't want to do business with those companies. I'll humbly ask if you would want to give it a read for free, that you reach out to your local library and ask if maybe they'll grab a copy through Overdrive. So you can check it out as an ebook, and if they do that, please send me a message so I can shout it out. I want to call out all the libraries that are stocking a copy of this book. This has been a labor of love for 10 years now. I have a lot more gray in my beard. The technology has never been more exciting, and I hope you'll join me on this ride. If you're a newbie photographer and you're interested in taking your skills up a notch, check out the links in the description below. If you're a more experienced photographer and you're just wanting to get a handle on what you can do with the phone, I think there's a lot in this book that you're also gonna dig. And just a huge thank you for all the people who have been supporting this project, buying the book directly, or supporting me on the Patreon, patreon.com/SomeGadgetGuy. None of this or this would have been possible without your support. Thanks so much for watching, for sharing this content on the socials, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.